Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka Sarkar Jilla kala aipor arsngi kinti yaki laitali ki Autonomous District Council bakini salok shwaban pa ya jingterwa syaka Sarkar Jilla haga bayade bar jingtmu jong Sarkar Jilla ban penjari ya Code of Criminal Procedure bad ya Code of Civil Procedure haga Jilla barok away. Haga sngi baar ka laipo tarik unailar arajar arfuar ka Sarkar Jilla kala khot jingyalang yaki laingut ki Chief Executive Member jong ki laitali ki Autonomous District Council ban yather sani halor kani ki jingtmu jong ka Sarkar Jilla ban nakaliang ka jong ki laingut ki Chief Executive Member ru ki lapan por na ka Sarkar arsngi kinti ban yather sani shwa halor kani shwa ban pai ka jing ai jingmut sya ka Sarkar Jilla.
Dekamat kebangi keren nak dikasi kada ya ketuka proposal nak kalian ke government agaban permi ya ketuka notification ban extend ya kasi RTC bagi CPC aga state igorok kowe te hawat haga jingsi sia nak kalian jongi ke council ngila ai ya ke proposal ke jongi pangila ai ru ya ke jing persya ke jongi halo ke ban implement dan ya ban permi ya ke notification ban petrikam habarok kowe ke state te ngilayo ikini ka call mentangsi kini ka jingpat kini ka meeting bat ngilai discuss ba bat ngilai deliberate ba nadu ba almost 1 hour mo ngilai discuss ba bat hadir ba ngilai kham ngam jelio halo kini ka jingtmu nang ada Sarkar karai ka bakhadu bangi aim taksi kalong bakin ai por biang ingi ka ki council baru alai kali bo arsingi ingin syong bat legal expert kijungi pangi sawan ra da ka wepat ka proposal ya ka government hoi ka jingtu jo ka Sarkar ki dibat suntu angni ba ka ban aibor ya kini ki judicial magistrate ki ba ka Sarkar kala thum hadien bala secretariat ya ka executive bat ka judiciary itip man shwa ban secretariat ani ban thia ya ka judiciary ba ka executive kamut u DC lani u additional district magistrate u judicial magistrate tenre hadian bala secretariat no tegila mi mentagi judicial magistrate baru ki district headquarter bakum juru haki subdivisional level tenre kumbalang mentagi ni Kim Don Board di ki kelampat confer di ki ya kata power bakin trial ki case te nak kata daw nak yang government kakwa ba kini ki court ki bala establishment apo ki district bat kum juru ki subdivision bakin trikam no kenapa kan long kacing mentoi hina ke bantai ke pat ba ke ke ba u siam mentau la assure ni ke long ba ki court ki jungi jong ki district court jong ki district council court ni kapor ke bangidon kan nom kata kanum dan kanunu ke jing kena ya ki district council court ki jungi ki bangidon wala da kadai ki village court wala kadai ya ka additional subordinate court denre habaya keren pat habaya dai bat ka ai ngi sutu ba kanu notification ka ban pergi ke Sarkar kalong very sensitive ngi hapan pet benia ha na kata daw ngi kam sim gongo mentang singi bangi ong ban ai por biang ngi kumba asngi ini syong nan sakat MDC baru hanya discuss dengan ni dekat bagai legal team kejungi bat hadian bangi la syai ngi saai ke pusat kebangi nak kalian kejungi persya na dua basang kalong ba ngiting ba hadian balakon bala penmi dengan notification kan kita ngi district council court kejungi dan rei menta pat haga discussion ke bangi kenduk CM bat deputy CM bat minister kalong ba dipenstu la batai ngi ba kanum kita ya ki district council court bagi district council court kin yaj ba ya kam kum bagi jule baru kata ke di ke ba ki pensengau na kalian ke cungki dan reng ala ong iti wala ka taru namarkan syong pat haga ni notification gilayo ini ga draft notification bat reng ngimpat sohun na ta kada ngi pan por biang bangi kwa bandaya ngam jelio ya gini bat hadin bala syai bala sutu bakan nom kata ya ki bor jongi ke district council ya katangi samenjo.
And clarifications were given to the district council that there was no question of diluting or infringing into the powers of the judicial powers of the district council, and that whatever steps are being taken right now and are being suggested by the government is only to regularize the overall functioning of the judiciary where the separation of the executive from the judiciary has taken place. And the judiciary, the executive earlier used to take up cases, and that those powers were conferred, or they used to draw them from the 1937 Act. Once the judiciary and the executive was separated, the ADC judicial did not have the powers to continue, and hence the judicial magistrates came into being. And the fact that the judicial magistrates today are taking up cases, they have to be conferred power under some provisions. 1937 provisions were specific to the DCs, because that time in 37 there were only deputy commissioners. So the powers were conferred to the administrative, to the executive side, and there was no judiciary at that point in time. So hence, the judicial magistrates will also have to draw powers from certain provisions in the constitution, and hence it is being suggested that it should be drawn from para 5. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner. That's the main purpose. But as I said, the second part is there is no intention to dilute the powers of the district council, and the provisions and the powers of the district council are clearly mentioned in the constitution and the 6th schedule. So there's no question of in any way diluting those powers. So those discussions were made, and the council members and the legal team have understood the concerns, and they have asked for 24 hours to 48 hours in which they will go through the entire points that were mentioned and discussed, and they will get back to us. And we're hopeful that we'll be able to take it to the logical conclusion.